Alrighty, so next up, we've got our face down shoulder extensions. So like we've been talking about, there's always gonna be a passive range and there's also gonna be an active range which opposes the two forces. So the dumbbell bench presses and the parallel push-ups, they're obviously gonna be lengthening out the anterior. We need to focus on being able to strengthen the posterior. So triceps obviously and lats heavily involved in shoulder extension, being able to pull the hands behind the body. So to best replicate that, we can actually go face down because we know that gravity goes down. So to fight gravity, we have to go directly up. So we put our hands next to our body as close as we can and we simply just lift and hold for 2 or 3 seconds. So we're gonna feel maximal shortening of the tricep. We're gonna feel our lower traps and all our scapular muscles really pulling together. So we're gonna get some strong shoulders and we're also gonna get some strong triceps, which is gonna increase that length for the anterior, but also increase the strength for the posterior. So we start with no weight and we maybe work through 15 or 20 reps depending on our capacity. And then obviously to progressively overload that, we can start to get some plates or some dumbbells. So these are 2.5 kilos. No, they're not, they're one kilo. Let's drive as high as we can and just pause, really trying to focus on that mind muscle connection and that full tricep extension. So it's gonna keep you honest because your body's flat on the floor and you've got no assistance, so everything's isolating through those posterior muscles.